Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazz and I'm back with day 11. We only have 2 more videos, actually 1 more video left. And as you can see, I successfully did my hair. So this is just day 1, so it is kind of tight, but this is how I like to let my hair grow over time. I know tonight when I tie it up, I'll have that much more stretch tomorrow. So I'm hoping to drop that video today. I feel like I'm on a roll. I just finished that video. I'm doing this video. So, we might just keep that energy and get everything done today. It's Christmas Eve. So, yeah. So, yesterday's winner is Anointed Stilettos. So, send me a DM on Instagram. And thank you so much for the continued support. So, today's product is going to be by Lotta. It's the Milk and Honey line. It's the Restore Me Cream Conditioner. Now, I like to use this conditioner as a co-wash when I'm having a lazy day, but this is a really good cream conditioner to go with the shampoo for this line. The ingredients will be honey, milk protein, and sunflower oil. So I tried to pick out some new ingredients because I didn't want to keep repeating the same ones, but I know honey is a real big one. So I want to keep talking about the benefits of honey. When you see honey, just think about a great moisturizer. It's going to add shine to your hair. And it's going to help lock that moisture in. So when you are shampooing your hair and you put the conditioner on, honey is a really good ingredient that's going to lock that all in. So when you go to style, your hair doesn't begin to dry out. So it's going to lock that moisture in. So milk protein is going to strengthen your hair. It's going to have vitamins A, B6, and biotin. And all of those are going to really put strength into your hair. And it's going to keep your hair soft and shiny. Sunflower seed oil is going to be a deep moisturizing oil. It's going to help with frizz. And it's also going to help with the overall manageability of your hair. So that's a really good oil to look out for. So overall, this is a really good conditioner for strength and moisture. So if these are things that you're looking for in your hair, this is a really good line to look for. So where can you find Lotta? You can find Lotta at Walmart, Sally Beauty, Amazon, shopnaturallycurly.com, and Dollar General. And the question for today is going to be, how long have I been natural? So I've had a few phases of going natural. I initially went natural because I was growing out my perm. I had a perm and hair color. All my hair fell out. So I had to grow all that out. And I kept my hair at like shoulder length. I grew all that out and then started coloring my hair again. But I was coloring my hair and using too much heat all the time. So I thought because I didn't have a perm, I could still use as much heat as I wanted to and have color. Couldn't figure out why my hair wasn't growing. Just couldn't figure, like, what am I doing wrong? I don't have a perm. Like, I thought the perm was just the ultimate no. So it was having the over-processing of the color and having too much heat. So then I had to grow all that out again. So, and that was, like, I had got really high blonde color on that because I was getting my color touch-up so often, it was just getting brighter and brighter and brighter. I had to grow all of that out. So I've been without a perm since 2006. 2006, I haven't had a perm. But it took me a while to figure out the right way to do things, especially having color. So it's just been a trial and error process. But I've really got a really good handle on having color and being natural since, I don't know, it's been a while. I can't really remember. But without a perm since 2006, to answer your question. But yeah, it's been a learning journey on what to do with my hair. And that's really why I started my YouTube, because I wanted to help people who didn't know what to do when half their head is transitioning and the other half is beautiful curls coming in. Like, what do you do with these straight stringy ends? And nobody on YouTube had blonde hair. I was like, everyone who had blonde hair would have it for like 2 months and then they didn't have it anymore. So I'm like, what am I supposed to do? So I just kind of just started filming my process. And if you go back and look at my beginning videos, like my ends were so fried, but I was still wrapping them up in those perm rods. Like, we're going to make this work. So that's really why I started doing twists and curls in the beginning, because my hair did not curl on the ends whatsoever. So I started doing twists and curls. That was like my go-to hairstyle. Once I figured that out, I was like, oh, this is it. Because I really wasn't doing roller sets then. So once I got tired of being the twist out queen, I started doing perm rods. That's a lot more. And here we are. So yes, that answers the question. So what am I giving away today? I am giving away Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges Extra Firm Hold. So this is their new formula with the 24-hour firm hold. I have a couple of these actually, because I have the old ones and I have the new ones that they send out. So I have an extra one to give away. So as always, rules are the same. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, comment on this video however you like. And I hope everyone is having a Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Eve. I hope everyone is staying safe, being with their family, and just having a good time and watching my videos. So I will try. Actually, I'm actually going to record day 12 probably in another hour or so. So I think I might just end up with 2 videos out at the same time. And then I'll announce the winners. Like I'll do a short. Maybe I'll do a short announcing the winners. Maybe, I don't know. I'll figure it out. So enjoy your family. Merry Christmas. And I'll see you in the next video.